One way of tackling that problem is this. What is trust? What's the fundamental of trust? The fundamentals. Now, everybody knows that there's an emotional component, right? If I look you in the eye and I say, I trust you, you feel the emotion. If I say, I don't trust you, you feel the emotion even more so. But ultimately, if you break down trust and really look at what it is in functional terms, it's practical. It's about, will you do the thing that I need you to do? And so with AI, as AI exists today, that question is very clear. It can do amazing things, and it will also slip in constant hallucinations and other mistakes and egregious errors. Are you going to trust AI? At this stage, for most problems, for example, if you're a lawyer preparing a brief that you're going to give to a court, you would be mad to trust AI. But can you get to a point where the error rates go down and then people start to rely on it as much as they rely on a toaster? Yes, absolutely. And at that point you have, that's what a real mark of a successful technology is, the point at which people say, I'll trust my life to it. You don't say that explicitly, for instance, about your toaster, but that's what you do. You're not even thinking about trust. You just use it because you know it's going to deliver the result that you want, period. When you have that, you have trust.